Here we have a 2023 ATX 24 Type S. This is in the black and navy color scheme. This boat is located here at SkipperBud's in Madison. Does come with the tandem axle trailer as well. This boat is equipped with an electric tower, does have the swivel board racks on there, as well as some speakers and an integrated bimini top. Nice swim platform on the back here. You also have a nice sturdy grab handle. You have your transom stereo remote. You do have some nice lower level transom seats here. And the sunpad on the back does convert, so you can actually flip those seat backs up when you want them up. Otherwise, you can lay those flat if you just want to lay down. And then you have your center walk-through into the cockpit area. This is a silent surf exhaust system. You can see your trim plates down here. All right, that's it for the exterior. Now let's jump on inside and take a look at the interior. All right, moving on to the interior of the ATX 24 Type S. Get a better look at these rear transom seats here. You have the nice center pass-through. These seat backs do fold flat, so you have a nice expanded sun pad on the rear here. As you enter, you'll see you have your exterior lounge seats. And this bench seat in the middle actually converts back and forth. So right now it's in the aft facing position, but you lift up both left and right loungers here, and then you can actually flip this seat to the rear position here, and then you'll be facing forward. So you do get a ton of adjustability with this floor plan. Very spacious cockpit seating area, lots of cup holders. Here you see your electric tower with your board racks, integrated speakers, and your bimini top. Here you have your captain's chair with your flip-up bolster. Integrated phone mount. You have your screen here, as well as the controls for all the ballast tanks. This boat is equipped with the Go Surf system powered by TAPS 3T. Same system that the Taiga boats are using. Nice glove box here, as well as your battery switch. Very large rear view mirror. Moving on to the bow seating area, you have plenty of room up here, as well as More cup holders and speakers. Nice little center walk through here. All right, that's it for the interior of the ATX 24 Type S, located here at SkipperBud's in Madison.